Midday reset for women entrepreneurs. Voice and music to release stress. Welcome. Take a slow breath in and let your shoulders soften as you exhale. This midday reset is your space to pause, recenter, and give your nervous system a breath of calm. You can do this seated at your desk, on the sofa, or anywhere you can be still for a few minutes. Let your hands rest gently. Allow your jaw to loosen. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. You've carried so much already today. Conversations, decisions, emails, thoughts. This is your moment to place everything down for just a little while. Take another steady breath in and feel the weight of the first half of your day slowly loosening its hold. With your next exhale, imagine a soft wave rolling down through your body, melting tension as it moves. Let your shoulders drop 1 or 2 millimeters more. Let the space between your eyebrows soften. Let your stomach relax outward naturally. There is nothing to brace for in this moment, nothing to solve, nothing to push, just presence and gentle reset. Now bring your awareness to your breath. No force, just noticing. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. Again, inhale, giving your rib cage a little space to expand, and long, easy exhale, letting your body settle. Let's take one more deep, cleansing breath in and out, releasing everything that doesn't belong to this moment. Your nervous system responds beautifully to simplicity. A few slow breaths, a few seconds of stillness, a moment of quiet. These are reset signals. Signals that let your mind know it is safe to soften and your body know it is safe to rest. Now imagine a warm light appearing just above your chest, soft, subtle, golden. This light represents clarity, focus, and calm, the qualities your day still needs from you, but without the pressure or strain. With each inhale, imagine this warm light expanding slightly, and with each exhale, imagine it settling into your body like gentle reassurance. Let the light fill your chest. Let it move to your shoulders. Let it travel down your arms to your hands. Let it drift up into your mind, clearing just a little more space inside your head. If thoughts about your day appear, that meeting, that decision, that message you need to send, let them drift past, like clouds crossing a blue midday sky. They don't need to be pushed away. They simply don't need your full attention right now. You're allowed this pause. Now imagine placing the rest of your day into a soft bowl beside you, not throwing it away, just setting it down. Let it wait there. Let it rest. You will return to it with more clarity, more focus, and more calm. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the steadiness returning. Feel the gentle grounding beneath your feet or seat. Feel the way your chest rises with the simplest, most natural effort. You're recalibrating. You're resetting. You're choosing clarity over overwhelm. Let's take a moment to gently recenter your energy for the remainder of your day. Repeat silently in your mind as I speak. I am centered. I choose clarity. I give myself permission to soften. I move through the rest of my day with calm focus. No pressure, no urgency, just presence and calm direction. Take a slow inhale and exhale, letting your entire system settle a little bit more. Notice how your body feels now compared to the beginning. A little quieter, a little clearer, a little more grounded. This is your natural state. It simply needed space to re-emerge. As this midday reset comes to a close, bring small movement back into your fingers and your shoulders, and gently roll your neck if that feels good. Carry this calm into whatever comes next today. It will be felt in your decisions, in your words, and in the tone you set for the rest of the afternoon. You can return to this reset anytime you need it. In between meetings, after a difficult conversation, or whenever your mind feels full and your body feels tight. If this moment brought you ease, consider liking this video and subscribing so you have a calm space to return to whenever you need it. Take one final nourishing breath in and sigh it out gently. You are ready for the rest of your day.